Hello, this is Ed Close welcoming you to another in this series of videos about the Close-Neppe triadic dimensional vortical paradigm. That's TDVP for short, a real theory of everything. Many theories of everything have been developed since Einstein's work in the first half of the last century. Like TDVP, many of them involve extra dimensions, and a few involve consciousness, but only TDVP succeeds in putting consciousness into the equations. TDVP is a cohesive theoretical framework encompassing matter, energy, space, time, and consciousness into one comprehensive model using the principles of relativity, quantum physics, dimensionometry, triadic logic, and consciousness to explain phenomena unexplained by the current materialistic scientific paradigm. Consciousness is included as a variable in the equations, as I said, and there are solutions to unsolved problems that are unique to TDVP. Three-dimensional space, three-dimensional time, and three-dimensional consciousness is unique to TDVP. And there are some mathematical methods which we'll talk about later so that it's clear what they are, called the calculus of distinctions, dimensional extrapolation, and there are true units of measurement, and we'll describe all of these features as we go along. Now, there are unique results that have been achieved by TDVP. It's a real theory of everything, as I said, relating everything, space, time, matter, energy, and consciousness in a 9-dimensional format. This brought about the discovery of the triadic rotational units of equivalence. That's what TRUE stands for. We call them true units for short. And it really works because they are the true units for quantum phenomena like the quarks and things that we'll be talking about. There's also an explanation of the intrinsic quantum spin numbers, which in the current paradigm are not really explained. The Cabibbo angle, which you probably never heard of, but it's something that physics has not been able to explain. And there are other puzzles not explained by the standard model. And so this unique to this model is the integration of science and mathematics with the search for spiritual proof. That's what's accomplished by putting consciousness into the equations. Now, this picture was taken after the first public presentation of the ideas behind TDVP at the International Conference on Science and Spirituality in Puebla, Mexico, February 2013. In our first book together, Dr. Neppe and I reviewed as many theories of everything as we could find and compared them with TDVP. This analysis identified a number of features unique to our model. Some significant additional unique features have been discovered since that time, since 2013. Our first book together, Reality Begins with Consciousness, is available at www.brainvoyage.com, and chapters 42 through 45 compare TDVP with nearly 24 other models, and the results of that comparison is that TDVP has more than 20 unique features not included in any of the others. For more details about this scientific paradigm shift to consciousness, please continue with me on the Real Theory of Everything journey on Science and Spirituality TV. Thanks.